Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I just woke up right now and I have to do so many things today. So I'm just gonna get my breakfast and then I'm gonna get ready for the day. I know nachos and chocolate biscuit are not an ideal breakfast, but I think I can reward myself to eat junk for breakfast one day of the week. So that's what I'm doing. And before you comment on my sleep shirt, it is very, very, very comfortable to sleep in. This is my breakfast for today with some water because obviously we need. Okay, so I just finished eating and I have a few morning chores that I need to complete. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. Okay, it is 1 p.m. and I still have to organize my cupboard because I cannot find any of my clothes. And I have to wear this I love burger t-shirts, but let's speed this up because I have a lot of other things that I need to come. Taking a moment to adore my bookshelf, and there are like 2 rows of books, like there are books behind as well. I'll do a tour again, I think, maybe, I don't know. Okay, back to work. Okay, so over here I'm basically just organizing the tops that I want to bring with me to my trip, and the others I'm just gonna dump into my cupboard and I'll organize them later when I'm back from the trip. Okay, so these are all the tops that I removed. I am mostly gonna bring like 4 to 5 of them, and then my swimsuit and some pajamas. Okay, so now I'm done with removing all my clothes. So these are the tops that I already own, and then I'm also going to put my new tops and jeans that I bought recently. So now I'm going to meet you guys directly at 3:30 p.m. because our hair appointment is at 4 and our nail appointment is at 5, I think, 5:30. So I'll meet you guys when I get ready for that. Bye-bye.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I am done with my head bath. My hair has dried, I think. I have no idea. And actually there was a change in plans. I did not accompany my mom to her hair appointment. I will be directly going to the nail appointment with her. The maid is cleaning the bedroom, so I'm just gonna wait till she's gone and then we'll sit down and I'll list down all the things that we need to complete today because it is already 3:34. So we really need to rush this thing if you want to get everything done. So now I am just seeing what nails I want to do because I don't want to do a lot of design because it's my first time doing my nails. Usually I just apply press-ons. So maybe I'll just go for a solid color or maybe a cat eye or a polka dot. I have no idea. I asked you guys for a poll and a lot of you guys voted for the brown and pink polka dots. So we'll see how that looks. Okay, so I'm just gonna change. Till then my mom will be back from her hair appointment and we leave for the nail appointment. Okay, so I am done getting ready and this is my fit. I do not feel like I want to wear this because I love the pant. They are very nice and baggy, but the top is not doing it for me. Okay, this is a lot better than what that was, so I think I'll be wearing this. I think this is a little loose for me, but we don't have anything else, so I'm just gonna stick to this because all my other tops I'm gonna carry them. So we're just gonna stick to this, and I'm just gonna talk while I get ready because obviously why not. I just recently cut my hair and I'm loving it because I really needed some change, and my hair was very long and it was getting really hard to maintain it. So yeah, I'm very happy. They are still a little frizzy from the hair wash, but I think that by tomorrow they should be good as new. And I'm just gonna pick out my jewelry. I'm gonna be wearing these hoops which I recently bought. I love these because they go on literally everything. Like makeup. I did my skincare already, so we're gonna start with makeup. At first, I used to love mascara, but yesterday I applied mascara and it literally went into my eye, and my eye was itchy the whole night. Okay, so I did record my whole makeup routine, but the video somehow glitched and it did not get recorded. So I just wanted to tell that I'm ready now, and this is my fit. And we are just gonna wait for my mom to come home, and then we will leave for shopping. Okay, so we are heading out, and I'm just gonna like get my bag. So we just arrived at the nail place. I am literally so excited to get my nails done. You'll see, this is my fit. I'll record again when we are at the nail place. We just arrived at the nail salon, and she's coming. She's getting all her supplies at the time. Got my nails done. You guys, I got my nails done. They are so pretty, like on both the hands. I love them. And now we are going to clothes shopping, and it's pretty late. It's like 2 hours later. So come with me to clothes shopping. Now we're gonna catch a rickshaw and then we'll go. So shy to record it here, but here we are. Let's see for some tops. There is not much collection here, but I think we'll find something. But mostly we are here for the shopping of my dad and my grandpa, so maybe I'll not buy anything, but we'll see. So we went and I literally found nothing. There was nothing over there. So we are going to the station and we'll find it. Shopper, and then I was sleepy, so I did not find anything, but we'll keep looking. Okay, so it is very crowded here, so most probably I can't shoot, but I'll try my best. Like, I'm at the clothes shop. I do not like anything, maybe I'll not buy anything, but we'll see. Okay, hi guys, so I am finally back home, and today was a really successful day. I really enjoyed shopping and taking you guys along with me. It was tireful. I am so sleepy, and like I have to get up tomorrow at 5:30. So thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I love you all so much. Goodbye.